Most people think the big name firms are automatically the safest choice when it comes to their retirement. But when you take a closer look at Merrill Lynch's Gold IRA options, something doesn't quite add up. Let me explain. Merrill Lynch is a trusted brand. There's no denying that. But when it comes to physical gold in your retirement account, the reality is they don't offer it, not directly. Merrill Lynch focuses heavily on paper assets, ETFs, mutual funds, and gold-linked securities. But owning actual physical gold? That's not part of their core service. And that's a big deal, because in times of inflation, uncertainty, and geopolitical tension, retirees aren't just looking for paper promises. They want real, tangible protection. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lot of retirees think they have gold exposure through Merrill Lynch because of something like GLD or other gold tracking funds. But these are not the same as owning physical gold. They're financial instruments. And in a crisis, you can't hold a share of GLD in your hand, nor can you guarantee what that share will be worth. Let me ask you this. If you've worked 30, 40 years building your retirement savings, do you want protection that's theoretical or protection that's real? That's the biggest limitation with Merrill Lynch. Their advisors aren't trained to help you buy and store physical gold in an IRS-approved depository. In fact, their system isn't even set up to handle a true gold IRA rollover. And that's why many retirees choose to go outside of the big-name banks, because they realize something. Merrill Lynch might be great for stocks and bonds, but when it comes to shielding wealth from the dollar's decline or the Fed's next move, it's just not enough. Here's what you can do. There are trusted gold IRA companies that specialize in helping retirees like you roll over a portion of your IRA or 401k into physical gold, without the gimmicks, the overpriced coins, or the sales pressure. They don't promise free silver or celebrity endorsements. They focus on one thing: protecting your wealth with real gold in your name, stored securely, and 100% under your control. You've worked too hard to build your nest egg. And in today's world, where inflation eats away at savings and markets move overnight, you deserve the full picture. That's why we put together a free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation educational call for Americans with $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k. It's simple, quick, and designed to give you clarity. No pressure, no gimmicks, just a real conversation with a specialist who puts your future first. If you want to protect what you've built and pass it on to the next generation with confidence, then take the first step today. Grab your free guide and schedule your no-pressure call now.